Let's take a look at how bank rules can help automate recurring allocations and transfers. Perfect for things like monthly interest payments, loan repayments, or frequent expenses such as fuel, Uber Eats, and coffees. To create a rule from a bank transaction, click the Create Rule button. Select whether it's an expense, income, or transfer rule. Give it a unique name, and define the rule conditions. You can base conditions on the description or amount, setting the criteria, for example, equals to, contains, or greater than, a specific amount. If you're using the description, make sure it's general enough to match recurring descriptions. If you remove any specific dates or transaction details, be sure to select the contains criteria. Select the relevant tank and fill in the fields as you would when manually allocating or transferring a transaction. You can set the rule to trigger if all conditions are met, or just one, which is great for things like fuel. Click Save to test the rule. If the correct transactions are triggering as expected, simply edit the rule and switch on the auto-allocate option. TaxTank will then automatically allocate these transactions each day as new bank data comes through, saving you time, effort, and a whole lot of manual admin.